He got a paternity test.
ndetse yamaze no kubona test DNA result azamugeza arabizi ko umuhungu ari.
You couldn't write this script.
Hehehe.
Oh dear.
Mana yanjye sheri.
Oh God, among all the troubles we already have.
nyuma y'ibibazo byose dufite.
What will George even do? Does he want to hold his hand and take him to the park or something?
none biriya bibazo bigitangiye kuzamo kandi yakira ngo bigende bitese tumuhereze umuhungu amujyana mutemberane nko muri park cyangwa ikindi kintu.
George's feelings for you here.
rwicara uhoze. ibi nibyo kashakaga kanseri nakajya kumubwira ngo baretse kugenda.
What can I do, Selena?
Selena uragira ngo
What are you gonna do?
nagira ngo nkore iki?
I can't keep him in check any longer. He'll go to him. And then George will tell him.
yamani ntago ari bundi buze kumuturisha.
Without everything.
n'ubundi ibi byose nibirangira araza kujya kumureba. urabyumvishe kasi.
Guys, ndabasuhuza kabisa ku bantu badukurikira kuri YouTube channel yacu. Icyo nagusaba cyane ni ukanda subscribe. Okay guys, baba ngo video yanyu ntago irangiye iraje ikomeze. Ahubwo na capability kato tuba tugiye gucishamo. Icyo ngiye kukubwira murabona abantu muri korera filime, abantu bamukeneye filime ko nyibahereza yose dohere kuri episode ya mbere ikaza yuzuye season yose na episode yose itakataguye. Nyandika kuri WhatsApp fata nomero muri screen. Hari igihe waba ushaka n'indi filime wabuze ariko ukaba warayibuze cyangwa ukaba ushaka filime runaka. Nta kabuza ugomba kuza ukatugana ku giciro gito cyane turaguhereza filime hamwe na VIP.
Ihangayika habonetse muganga gakondo utanga ubuvuzi bw'umwimerere kandi bushingiye ku bimera. Waba warabaswe n'ibibazo byo kwikinisha bigatuma amabanga y'abashakanye atabasha kugenda neza. Tambuka tugukiza umuze nawe ubashe kunoza amabanga y'abashakanye.
Ubu mubona nahoranye ikibazo cyo kutabyara. Najya ntekereza ko narozwe, nyuma naje guhura n'umuganga gakondo ufite inkomoko yo muri Tanzania. Aramfasha ndakira, ubu nanjye ndi umubyeyi nk'abandi.
Kubivuza indwara nk'umwijima, impyiko, rubagemande, amibe, igifu, kubyimba, prostate, umutwe, imitsi ndetse n'izindi. Namwe nimutambuke kuko mwashyizwe igorora. Akarusho kandi kubivuza indwara nk'amarozi abatugezeho baritangirwa.
Ubu mubona nigeze guhura n'ikibazo cyo kuroga. Narozwe ibitegano ndetse n'ibihuherano. Naje kubona umuganga gakondo ufite inkomoko muri Tanzania. Aramfasha, ubu narakize neza, ubu nta kibazo mfite.
Kuba ari mahanga namwe mwihangayika mwibaza uko imiti yacu iraza kubageraho kuko dukora na DHL kabagezaho imiti yacu kandi mu gihe gito.
Zabimubwiye ngo natuza cyo kumureba. Nkora iki?
What will I say to Steven, or better yet the kids? Steven
ise we tuzabimubwira gute nzamenya mbimubwira gute ko yamana atari umwana.
Oh, I don't know what to say either. You're not...
sinzi icyo kuvuga. Yesu urangisha inama uragira ngo ubwire iki? Aka niko kaba kana bikoze niko kaba karutwitse n'ubundi ka Selena. Sawa.
What am I doing?
Hano ndi mu biki?
Where are we right now? Finally. Rhea, why are you crying? Her song has so much emotion. Then let's get in. Why are we standing?
Okay. Suri kumva se iyo ndirimbo iri muri iyo mbari nyine uvuze ngo ifite amarangamutima twinjire tujye gusimbirayo. Hakuno bahise bizira muri shawuri yako nimbari bumvishije hano ngo yari yabishijemo akaririmbo kisa na mitima. Kwereka hakuno.
Sir? No. Color? Could you reach her? I'm smart enough not to try that right now. Let me be the stupid one. Appreciate it. You love to show yourself as a victim, right?
Mwana umusa kuki buri gihe ushaka kwigaragaza nk'inzirakarengane bari gushaka abandi?
What? Your love? No, brother.
Gushaka Alicia na Liam. Baje kubarebera kwa muganga kumba abandi bibereye hakuno muri karaoke. Ni karaoke ni karaoke. Baje kwisindira.
Alex is in love with me.
Alex garanku.
That.
bitekereza ari
Did I know about that?
ujyayo nari mbizi
No.
wapi
It doesn't matter what I feel or what I think. None
ubundi
of...
si byo naba niyumvamo cyangwa ko naba ntekereza birabareba
No.
wapi
His brother is in love with me. An older brother did.
nawe ahunda
Such benevolence.
ariko nk'icyo umuvandimwe mukuru abona ni iki arekera umutoya
He give up.
yarandetse
Me.
yarandetse atitaye ku byo ntekereza
Anyways?
gahinda kamweguye
Of course not. Forget about that.
oya nako tubyibagire
Who the hell's Rhea?
ubundi seriya ni igiki ndi igiki ari kwisindira
No, I mean, who do they think they are?
ubundi bari bakiga batekereza ko ari
Think
ibiki
the world revolves around men?
batekereza ko ari bo isi yikaragiraho
Then they should take us and put us on a showcase
ngo
in
bajye badufata abagore bajugunye uko bashaka baduhererekanye nk'abahererekanya ibikoresho
Really?
koko yumva
Girl and move on, bro. I'll have...
kamaze gusinda kari kuvugisha ukuri do kageze mu mwanya waruhura umutima ziriya ngegera
What are we? Are we souvenirs or are we trinkets? Are we like tables and
turi
chairs?
nka souvenir cyangwa se nk'aya meza cyangwa ibi birahure baterura batereka aho bashaka bariko nibwanuka hano hari umuravuga dufashe bako do abako abashuwa gwani iyo ni misha ifite
Ladies,
koko
since he is a man,
kubera ko uyu mugingo ubu nawe ari umugabo aravuze ati turiya dukobwa turi hariya ngiye n'iteretere we
ladies and gentlemen,
bakwe namwe bagabo
let me introduce a man.
mureke mbahuze
Poor
n'umugabo
man.
umugabo
Appreciated.
urakoze
Jaded.
urakoze nawe
Fuck off.
What now?
tumuka
It's okay, bro, please.
muvande
No.
tuza
Stop it. Stop it.
cyo nawe uca
A poor man.
iriya ngegera
What's wrong with you?
uyu yaza abagabo kabagabo bose ngo ni iki ehehe
Why don't you drink?
we kuki utari kunywa ubundi
And then what?
ubundi ko ndi kunywa ntunywe fata tunywe wantu aho sikari byo koko reka twinywere inasukayo reka twinywere wa mugani n'ubundi ese ni kimwe itongo ry'inzoga ni iki nazi kazisa karangera
To those two, being brothers,
tunywemo ku bwa bariya bakinga ngo bumva ari abavandimwe bagereranya uko bashaka tunywemo abagabo bariva abagabo mwiyumva koko n'abasore mwiyumva ntago ndaba umuntu nzaba umuntu kera isega n'umuntu ngo nshaka kurwana n'umuntu ngombe hakuno karira ne kwa muganga yarakangutse karira kwa muganga yarakangutse karira ne kwa muganga yarakangutse karira kwa muganga yarakangutse havuyeho havudo nkuko akavuyeho
Miss Carla, where to?
karira mugiye
Miss Carla, please, let me call your mother.
oya adusubiremo indani
Miss Carla,
Miss Kalila
well, please.
I was suffocating. Did I
je nari nkaho hari ibintu biri kunigamo indani subiramo indani enda
Did you get it? Let me go.
ese ntabwo uri kubyumva
Get out.
Okay, Miss Carla, get
Miss
it right
Kalila
now.
subiramo indani kugira ngo ugende turabanza tubwire umuryango wawe
No.
ase mwabashe kamwe subiramo indani cyasiza kireba shinguye hano ngo umwuka uri hari kumucura umwuka sinzi tu kina ahantu akabanza akaruhuka guhumeka kuka kameze fresh kuri hano yarebye ka kandiko n'akarabo cyasiza cyamuhaye siza ari hakuno ahita kanda hakuno ashyiraho aramuwe inzira hiye we arahiye aragurumanye ibitaro birahiye mutabare muhamagare za kizimyamwoto muhamagare kizimyamwoto ni ikirara uwo mujya kuzimya ariko ntabwo mubona ko hagurumanye gihita kiza kinjiramo hakuno
Rose Beauty.
uruku imeze bite se swite hatima ngiragire twagiye ducisheni twikomereze bacaho abacisheni bacaho
Brother?
muvandi
Calm down now.
tuza
Be afraid, okay?
hano umeze neza Alex ari hano kwa muganga
Didn't here with you to stay here.
nyine yamuzanye hakuno bigenze bite Hakuno ivuriro.
What's all this noise?
Cya kigoryi. Ni alamu ya fake hari yagiye fasa alamu.
Check Eve, she shouldn't be able...
Mujye kureba abandi bana mujye kureba Eve nanjye reka nje kureba Kalila. Hakuno bamaza kureba Kalila. Abandi ngo bajye kureba Eve. Kuza kureba Kalila. Ntawe uhari. Kalila we. Kalila yagiye. Kalila ntawe uhari.
When I hear the alarm.
Tim, you get out of the way.
Kigoryi we pa mu nzira. Kalila yagiye. Yibereye hejuru niyo yicariye.
It's not dirty.
We rikote ntago rinuka wana reka ngufubike wana rirameshe.
It new.
Rirameshe.
Cheap, it's a brand.
Ni cheap, ni brandi.
If you don't believe me.
Okay, niba utanyizeye byihore. Ivyo nabyo.
Caesar, put it on. I'm free.
Ivyo nabyo.
Caesar, put it on. I'm freezing here.
Wa mukinga we.
No.
Sabika nta nimbe iranyishe reka kwigira gutyo. Bose se wigiraga iki.
Thanks.
Nakoze.
You're a good person, right?
Uri umwana mwiza ariko sibyo. Siz.
Answer me then.
I mean, I don't know what to say right now.
Sinzi icyo kukubwira ubunona.
I'm not a saint or anything.
Ariko nta nicyo mfite cyo kuvuga kwanza.
Issues. That's why, if you ask if I'm a good person,
Genda umunyabibazo niyo mpamvu ubajije ngo ndi umuntu mwiza nakubwira ngo wapi.
If you ask if I'm a bad person, not at all.
Ariko ubajije umuntu mubaga mubaza ngo singa n'umuntu mwiza sinzi nawe icyo yagusubiza kwanza.
I mean, if I'm gonna be honest with you, Carla, I'm the last person who can tell what is good or bad.
Ninjye muntu wa nyuma akubwira ngo iki ni cyiza cyangwa ikibi nanjye simba nzi kubitandukanya nimba ndi umuntu mwiza cyangwa mubi. Nanjye nta makuru mba mbifiteho.
I mean, things happen, you know, so like you never know who you'll fall in love with. That's all.
Ntago mwana haba ibintu byinshi ntamenya ngo abarinde ukora ibyiza cyangwa agacanganye.
Get some tea for us. Tea? Huh? It'll
work. Ushaka agacyayi tunywe.
You want some?
Ushaka icyayi jya kuzana icyayi jya kuzana icyayi. Sana ari bije kukikuzanira ari bije.
Actually, I had a chance to be a good person.
Chiyo. Rebe. Urbe baba ntibibereye imbari n'ubundi. Bose buri umwe afite agahinda kiwe. Uwo yakunze Yamani.
Why do I have to fall in love with Iman?
Yuke Alicia yakunze Yamani. Yamani yikundira Liya. Nyuma Yamani asa kubivamo kwa Liya. Mwana. Reka dusinde n'ubundi. Kama mbaya ijuru tuzahembwa abagore b'amasugi b'amaso manini twisindire.
Everyone asking me this question.
Square cy'abantu bose babambaza icyo kibazo.
My list is quite long, Ria. Would you like to hear it?
I do. Fire away.
Sawa.
Where to start now? He loves so beautifully.
Uri mwiza cyane Liya. Uri mwiza pe.
He makes you feel safe.
Basi ibyo bituma wumva ufite umutekano cyangwa.
Even if the world burns down in flames or goes to ruins, I'll still be fine.
Kabone na isi yose yashya ngezaguma mfite umutekano.
You know how it is.
Siko n'ibintu bimeze.
Walks against everyone, roaring like a lion constantly. But when he's with you,
Genda ubundi mbona ndi wawe nta guhinduka ariko se wowe.
You know.
Urabizi mwana.
You can't dare to hurt you. He's genuine, really. He's just so genuine.
Yamani ni umwana mwiza nyine abashaka kwisanisha n'abantu bose akababera umwana mwiza.
Take his love.
Uburyo yiteguye no gutanga urukundo rwe nk'igitambo. sibyo Ria.
I love Yaman so much.
Yaman ndamukunda cyane. Naka karamukunda.
I know.
Ndabizi.
I know.
Ndabizi pe.
He is the hero to the girls who grew up without a father.
Nimba yarabereye intwari umukobwa wakuze atagira se, ubwo niwe wivuga. Hakuno. Cyangwa uba wumva ari wowe utagira ababyeyi wenyine Sharia. Mutima.
Do you leave your family?
Kibura ufite umuryango. Twe twakuze twiragira tukicyura, twipapa tukimama.
No.
Noneho buri kwibaraguza gutyo nta n'urusoni.
What do you mean?
Ushatse kuvuga iki?
Didn't you ask? Don't you know where he is at least?
Ese byibura wigeze ugerageza kumenya ahantu papa wawe ari?
I have the address of the house he was living before marrying.
Nabashije kujya ku nzu yabagamo
But he's still even
mbere yuko agenda,
there.
mbere yuko ashaka undi mugore. Barambwira bati wapi?
Never had the courage to go.
Jack.
Musa waduhaye fagitire se.
Leaving?
Shouldn't just sit here. Girl, I don't call my father's account because I don't know who he is.
Turaguma hano si cyo ushaka guhamagara papa wanjye ukamubwira yuko nanze gutaha cyane ko ntanazi uwo ari we. Mu magambo make ni nkamucyuri ati wowe ko byibura uranabizi ko ariho njye sinanamuzi sinzi na mama n'iki byose. Hakuno babazaniye agafagitire.
And we can go.
Ngayishyura tugende. Ishyura tugende nyine none se ntiwazinyweye?
I don't have my wallet with
Ko
me.
nta kofi nazanye.
You've got to be joking.
Uri gukina ariko none ukaba wumva turava mu kabari gute? Ninjije ebyiri z'abakobwa. Urabigenza gute? Ureba hakuno hariho bitanu, gitanu cyose inseki. Turapfuye. Icyo nzi cyo baradukubitira muri aka kabari tu. Baradukubitira muri aka kabari yamarama ko kunywa ke niyo yamarama akazi n'ikindi. Uzi n'ikindi? Ria. Chunga kujisho. Mbere ya mbere bakinnye biroko. Bakinnye. Mbere ya mbere bakishika n'amaguru twaje. Nta nicamwe mugiye mutishyuye. Batorokanye fagitire. Naje dukomeze n'indi episode. Ntabwo